Hey, Javon Spencer here, owner and co-owner, founder, Spencer Financial Group. Guys, I'm going to go over the 10 hard truths I learned in sales and life insurance sales, telesales, virtual sales, sales without leaving the house is what this is all about. So let's jump into it. I'm going to say no one told me because this really wasn't popular back when we first got started with it. So now my goal and my job is to try to educate you to know what's normal and how to get in front of the frustration that you're dealing with. So let's jump into it. Boom, the 5-minute window. Guys, I'm just going to tell you, the second the lead hits your system, this is your cue to jump on it. I'm talking call, text, the follow-up frequency. We push it that you have 7 contact attempts within the first day. As soon as your leads drop, you jump on it. All right. Waiting for them to do not just let the automations work on it, right? You have to call, you have to engage yourself as well. 2, the competitive edge. All right. The competitive edge is knowing about your competitors so you can educate your client. You are on the phone with them, you're contacting them. Don't let them be oblivious to what else is out there. Educate them about what else is in the market so that everything that you shared about your product is going to be the top of mind, right? In our world, we talk about living benefits all the time, right? We educate them that most policies don't include the living benefits, okay? And then we educate them on what those living benefits can do for them and how it can also save them money. And now anytime they talk to someone else about life insurance, if they're not bringing up living benefits, guess who gets that, call back and gets that opportunity to protect them, right? But you have to know your market. You have to know what else is out there. 3, effort doesn't get guaranteed results. Absolutely, right? You can try till you blue in the face, but unless you can call all day, but if you're not making contact, you did nothing. So don't get frustrated with the hard work of the activity, right? Just sharpen your skills so when you actually get someone on the phone, when you actually can do a presentation, it's game time. All right? Work smart and work hard, but don't get caught up in that I worked hard all week, because the Bank of America does not deposit our effort, okay? Prospects lie politely. Yes, they do. Guys, they may forget that they took a medication. They might forget about an ailment, right? So you have to, open up and share about you. Make sure your rapport is there. Make sure that you let them know the importance is that of the fact that whatever they tell you, it's no problem, right? So don't ask them questions to force them to lie to you, right? Don't ask budgeting questions like, where would you want your budget to be? Guys, no one ever tells you where they want their budget to be, the truth, okay? So you need to just show them options, and then you dictate and understand where they are comfortable, right? But don't ask. That's such the laziest way of doing sales is order taking, and we don't take orders. We help the clients find affordable coverage, and don't ask them questions that force them to lie to you. The follow-up advantage. Yes. You know why? Because the fortune is in the follow-up. The fortune is in the follow-up. Guys, if you don't contact your lead any less than 12 times, and I'm talking every type of lead, if you don't put at least the muscle into contacting them at least 12 times, you are blowing money. Okay. So most people give up right here, right? The top 10% does not give up right here, right? We understand that they might not pick up on the first 12 attempts and they're still interested. Okay. So understand persistency is key, but the follow-up is mandatory. Your pipeline is everything. Guys, you cannot do this business. You cannot do life insurance sales with just 5-10 people, right? You have to blow your pipeline up, prospect, or just get a bunch of leads that you can stay active with. All right. So just understand that the least amount of people you have to talk to is why your anxiety is through the roof. Okay. In our agency, we have thousands of leads that we contact and can contact, and the agents can call through so that the anxiety is low, pressure is low, and then we're just finding people who need our help. Okay. Pipeline is everything. Boom. First contact. Okay. Only 2% of your sales on the first conversation. Absolutely. We just talked about why why the fortune is in the follow-up. Okay, guys. So because the fortune is in the follow-up, the first contact is just to let them know you're a human being, right? It's just that you're human. You're a real person. I'm going to be taking care of you. And it's just planting a seed, right? Don't get excited. Don't lose like, oh, they didn't want to talk right now. It's just to show that you're a human being. All right. The threshold of success. Most deals require multiple contacts. Yes. Success is not a sprint. Okay, you just have to understand that people are in different stages of the sales process. You might pick up and someone's ready to go right then and there, and you might pick up and they're on the information gather, right? But your job is to hold your composure together so that you can help all at every stage, and you're not giving them commission breath that you want to talk and close everyone right then and there, right? That's not what we do. The no factor. Guys, smile when you hear no. Go read the book, Go for No. You will hear no and smile and they would think you're a psychopath. Okay. No does not mean no. No means you're closer to a yes. All right. So again, persistency is your friend. Push through it and just know when you hear no, don't take it personal and don't have any emotions attached to it. Okay. And the response rate spike. Okay. Guys, if you're getting leads and you're not texting them, if you're not emailing them, if you're not calling them, guys, I even love jumping on LinkedIn. Guys, we even have other sources that find alternate numbers, okay, for those people that inquire. Okay. Multiple channels of follow-up is the key nowadays. All right. So let's do it, guys. If you're interested in joining a virtual life insurance agency where we have leads, sales training, sales coaching, we get paid directly from the carriers, we're on together, we're able to build a business together, click the link. Well, just jump on the link, www.spencerfg.com/hiring, and I can guarantee you an interview. I can't guarantee you a spot. You got to be a good fit for our team, but we are the best. So have a good one. Catch you on the next call. Peace.